The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sherman County until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Edson, and it was moving northwest at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Goodland and Woolton. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 5 and 35. This includes Highway 27 between mile markers 158 and 185. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Sherman County, Kansas.